Namaste. In this video I will tell you about books which I like. So when I was in schools and college, I was not much into books. I used to hate books. I can't read only. I feel I used to feel very sleepy. Then after like in 2015 or something, everything changed. Like I found the books which I like more. Like for example, yeah, it may be different for you. Like if you find books specially which you like. For example, me, I like spirituality, self-help, otherwise biographies kind of books. So this kind of non-fiction books I like. So I started with Bhagavad Gita. So as I started reading Bhagavad Gita every day, two lines with meaning. So I used to read this for like many years. So I have completed this Bhagavad Gita 15 times or something. But I was more focused in meaning other than reading slokas. So after reading Bhagavad Gita, I found that I am more into spirituality and this kind of books. So I started buying spirituality related book and biography of gurus. So this was very interesting. So I keep on reading, and this was like kind of it it kind of opened up to me, like it's kind of opening something new in me. Like it was very amazing experience for me. Like even I started reading self-help book. If you ask me to which is my favorite books, I will tell you Bhagavad Gita is one of the favorite book, Autobiography of Yogi is another, and you can read Wellness Sense from Om Swami. This is also very nice book. And Be As You Are by Raman Maharshi, I like that book. And Osho books, books from Osho, especially Sex with Super Consciousness and Book of Woman, Book of Man, and these kind of books which made me. Osho's books are completely different. He is completely open. If he's allowed now, he may be jailed in, like because of this government, media and regulations, but he already died very many years before. But he was very open kind of guru, and his explanation and these things were different. Even I liked, and especially Om Swami, he was a software engineer, then he became a monk or something. And Monk Who Sold Ferrari, that is one other books. And I like many books, like for uh, biography of different Swami, like Autobiography of Himalayan monk or something. There are so many books I liked, especially biographies and all. So these kind of books really opened up to me. So I can recommend you, like you start with reading with books, different kind of book, then you will find which book is specially perfect suitable for you. Then you start reading such kind of book, and you will explore new world. Every person is different world for me. So every person who is writing and who is sharing his life story is completely different. For example, Mahatma Gandhi's experiment with the truth, this is also very nice. Even Vivekananda's, so I don't remember many books names, but Vivekananda's book is there. It was also very different. So very especially this Ramana Maharshi's book is very deep. I can't read so many pages at a time. I used to read, especially Be As You Are. I used to read 1 page a day, 2 page a day or something. Very unusual book I have read is Aghora. If you see David Godman or someone wrote that. Aghora is completely different way of, like there are people who are aghoris. So they do one kind of practice in like a where like body is burned. So this their practice and all, one kind of, there is a person, one aghori. So it's kind of biography of one of the aghoris. It's very completely different ritual than normal people do here in India. So there are different kind of book. It will make you think, like in the end you will come to know that you know nothing. So there is so many things to explore. That's what these books make, like keep on thinking. Nowadays there are audiobooks. Even on YouTube, if you search audiobook, you will find many audiobook. It's also very good. I think instead of reading, listening is very interesting. If you just keep on headphone or something, keep on listening these audiobooks. So anywhere you can, listen on the way while traveling and all. I hope this video helped you. Namaste.